Hello. First time opening my PS2. I'm pressing the power button. We're playing two-player games.
I know we're playing Gran Turismo.
You mean Gran Turismo 4?
Yeah.
Why is it taking so long?
Yeah.
You're right. It's taking forever. Here.
Hello? Are you opening?
Oh yes. Oh no! Red screen update. Come on, I hate this. I don't want red screen update. No, bro, I don't wanna end like the PS1.
Yeah.
Oh man.
The PS1 is so cringy.
Yeah, I was playing alone. I'm playing alone from that.
And I was sleeping in
Yo.
that day.
Yo.
And I suddenly heard that thing.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Turned on. It's on now.
Yeah.
Yeah, how is this PS4? Make sure there's no red screen up. Not again!
Bro!
Not again, bruh! Are you stupid, you ugly PlayStation? Bro, this PS2 sucks.
I hate it!
Yeah, we wanna play Gran Turismo 4!
Bro, maybe we should fix that thing.
Bro, if we just enter recovery mode.
Yeah, let's enter recovery mode.
Bro!
Bro, it's not letting us.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Twice!
Bro! Oh, bro!
Bro, this is stupid! Where is this red screen update coming from?
This is stupid.
Yeah, you're right. It's stupid. Look how ugly this one is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna restart it. I don't care. I'm not reading this. Beep. Bro! This is taking forever. Yes. Oh, man! What is that, bro? The letters are red.
Yeah, the letters are red. What is happening?
Yeah, it's a red screen update again. I knew it.
What is happening?
I don't know. Oh no. It's red screen update again. Bruh.
Maybe let's just shut this down.
Bruh, we don't care. We're gonna restart it anyway. Make sure there's no nah, bro. Not the kill screen.
Yeah, not a kill screen.
Just come back here. I'm gonna check it. It's gonna restart. Bro, oh my gosh! What's happening? I cannot read that. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness, this is scary.
Sorry guys, I left over the game.
Bro, what
And
the?
I came back.
I wanna. We're playing Gran Turismo 4. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, are you kidding me?
Bro, this sucks. I'm gonna. How long would this be? Come on, this.
I'm clicking the X button.
Yeah.
What's happening?
I don't know. Oh, Pio, it's black screen now. I don't want the kill screen.
Yeah, I don't want a kill screen.
Bro, kill screen actually sucks at geography. Oh, man. We're gonna enter recovery mode. Bro,
It's not still blue.
Bro, we're entering recovery mode.
Yeah. It sucks.
Yeah, this one sucks at geography.
Yeah, this one sucks at math.
Oh yes, we're entering recovery mode.
This sucks at English.
Yeah, this is boring. This was released in 2000.
Bro, this is too long.
Yeah. How long? Okay.